Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss: becoming a successful cybersecurity expert. Cybersecurity is an ever-growing field, and with the increasing reliance on technology, the demand for skilled professionals is higher than ever. In this video, we will provide you with a step-by-step guide on how to embark on this rewarding career path and become a successful cybersecurity expert. Step 1. Understand the field and its importance. The first step towards becoming a cybersecurity expert is to understand the field and its significance. Cybersecurity involves protecting computer systems, networks, and data from unauthorized access, damage, or theft. It's crucial to comprehend the potential risks and threats in the digital landscape, such as hacking, malware, and data breaches. To gain a deeper understanding, you can start by reading books, blogs, and articles on cybersecurity. Engage in online forums and join communities where professionals discuss the latest trends and challenges in the field. This foundation will lay the groundwork for your journey to becoming a cybersecurity expert. Step 2. Obtain relevant education and certifications. Once you have a good grasp of the basics, it's time to focus on acquiring the necessary education and certifications. While a bachelor's or master's degree in cybersecurity or a related field is beneficial, it's not the only path to success. You can start by enrolling in cybersecurity courses, either online or at a local institution. These courses cover various topics, such as network security, ethical hacking, cryptography, and risk management. Additionally, consider pursuing relevant certifications, such as CompTIA Security Plus, Certified Ethical Hacker, CH, Certified Information Systems Security Professional, CISSP, or Certified Information Security Manager, CISM. These certifications validate your expertise and enhance your employability. Step 3. Develop practical skills. Education and certifications provide a strong theoretical foundation, but practical skills are equally important in the cybersecurity field. Let's explore some key skills you should develop to excel as a cybersecurity expert. Firstly, focus on developing your technical skills, such as network and system administration, vulnerability assessment, and incident response. Practicing with virtual labs, participating in Capture the Flag (CTF) competitions, and working on real-world projects will sharpen your technical abilities. Secondly, communication and teamwork skills are crucial in this field. Cybersecurity experts often collaborate with colleagues, clients, or other stakeholders. Effective communication, both verbal and written, is essential to convey complex security concepts clearly. Step 4. Gain practical experience. Practical experience is invaluable when it comes to cybersecurity. It allows you to apply your knowledge and skills to real-world scenarios. Let's discuss some ways to gain practical experience in the field. Consider internships, apprenticeships, or entry-level positions in cybersecurity firms, IT departments, or government agencies. These opportunities expose you to real-life cybersecurity challenges, tools, and technologies. You can also contribute to open-source projects or participate in bug bounty programs to showcase your abilities and build your portfolio. Additionally, actively seeking out mentorship from experienced professionals can provide valuable guidance and insights. Learning from their expertise and experiences will accelerate your growth as a cybersecurity expert. Step 5. Stay updated and continuously learn. Cybersecurity is a rapidly evolving field, with new threats emerging regularly. To remain successful, you must stay updated with the latest trends, tools, and techniques. Follow cybersecurity blogs, news outlets, podcasts, and YouTube channels that share up-to-date information. Join professional organizations and attend industry conferences or webinars. Engage in continuous learning by pursuing advanced certifications or specialized training in areas such as cloud security, penetration testing, or digital forensics. Step 6. Build a professional network. Building a strong professional network is essential for career growth in any field, and cybersecurity is no exception. Let's explore some ways to expand your network. Attend cybersecurity conferences, meetups, or local industry events to connect with like-minded professionals. Engage in online communities, forums, and social media groups to participate in discussions and share knowledge. Networking not only helps you stay updated but also opens doors to potential job opportunities and collaborations. Congratulations! You've reached the end of our step-by-step guide on how to become a successful cybersecurity expert. Remember, success in this field requires dedication, continuous learning, and a passion for protecting information and systems. Keep in mind that the journey to becoming a cybersecurity expert is unique for each individual. Embrace challenges, learn from failures, and adapt to the ever-changing cybersecurity landscape. With determination and perseverance, you can make a significant impact in the field of cybersecurity. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Don't forget to click the notification bell to stay updated with our latest uploads. Thank you for watching, and until next time, stay secure and keep exploring the world of cybersecurity.